Hello, children. A very good morning to you all, and welcome to this new learning session. Children, in our previous sessions, we have learned about addition, and today I am going to add something more to your knowledge, that is, repeated addition or multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition. So, children, when we have to add the same number for many times, then it is better to use multiplication instead of adding it for many times. When each group has the same number, we use multiplication to find out how many are there in all. The symbol used for multiplication is a cross. Now, let us understand the same with the help of an activity. So now, we will roll these dice. Now you can see that we have got 5 on the first dice and 4 on the second dice. As we get 5 on the first dice, so we will write 5 first, and on the second dice we get 4. So now we will write 4. Now we will multiply these two numbers, and as I told you that a cross is a sign of multiplication, and we will read it like this: 5 multiply by 4, or we can also read it like 5 times 4. That means that we will make 5 groups with 4 objects in each group, or we can also say that 5 times we will take 4 objects. Now let's make 5 groups of 4 objects. So in the first group I will take 4 red hearts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 red hearts, and this is the first group. Now in the second group I will take 4 purple hearts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is our second group. In the third group, again 4 red hearts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 red hearts in the third group. Now in the fourth group, again I will take purple hearts. So 1, 2 and 3 and 4 purple hearts in the fourth group. Now in the last group I will take red hearts. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 red hearts in the fifth group. Now let's count these hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we get 20 hearts. That means 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. Here we have written 4, 4, 4, 4 and 4. So now we will add them. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. And 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. Here we are adding number 4 again and again. And children, when we add the same number again and again, it is called repeated addition. So children, did you notice that the answer remains the same in both of the situations? So, if we want to add the same number again and again, then we can use multiplication to save our time. Now, let's see one more example. So children, look at the picture. Here we have some beautiful and colorful capsicums, and there are 5 groups of such capsicums. Now look carefully. In each group we have 4 capsicums. 1 red, 1 yellow, 1 green and 1 orange. So here we can say that number of groups are 5, and in each group we have 4 capsicums. So we can say that 5 times 4 is equal to 20. So the addition fact for this is that we can add 4 5 times, that is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, and it is equal to 20, whereas the multiplication fact is 5 times 4, that is equal to 20. Children, in the form 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20, the numbers 5 and 4 are factors, whereas our answer, that is 20, is called product. So children, always remember, any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. For example, if 2 is multiplied by 1, then the product will be 2. Any number multiplied by 0 is always a 0. For example, 274 is multiplied by 0, then the answer is 0. The order of numbers being multiplied does not matter, which means if 3 is multiplied by 4, then the product is 12. And if 4 is multiplied by 3, then again the product is 12. So I hope you have understood today's lesson. Now it's time for some homework. So here is your homework. Solve the following addition facts by changing them into multiplication facts. That's all for today's session. Thank you.